morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, May 24th, 2026. Welcome to Morning Coffee Time with Christina, Melody Group. Today, inside the ecosystem, we are celebrating 100 unit plus multifamily 1031 exchange. Today, beautiful investors who move with timing, discipline, strategy, and top 1% clarity. While the world is still waking up, the ecosystem is already in motion. AMMI is matching your criteria to off-market 100 unit plus multifamily opportunities instantly, clearly, and without noise. This is the lane where 40-day identification becomes simple, 180-day execution becomes predictable, replacement property appear before the market sees them, off-market pathways open only for those who are ready enough, whereas building strategy compounds through time and not guessing. Today is not about waiting. Today is about alignment. Your criteria, your match, your 1031 multifamily exchange pass, your next multifamily level. If you are holding a 10 million plus exchange, if you are ready for institutional brand replacement property, multifamily deal pass in the market. This is the day for you to enter ecosystem with your passport. Your 1031 exchange multifamily celebration starts now. Learn more about our off-market multifamily deal flow ecosystem powered by advanced AI technology. AMMI service you inside. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group, May Peak Session, Session 34. Session 34 will be held on May 30th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern online on Zoom. 34 we will release top 1% deal in each state. It is CEO, CRO role. Session 34 is the last peak session in May. Don't miss. Mark your calendar. Get your coffee time passport. Each state only 5 seats. Welcome to join CEO, CRO community of excellence of market 100 unit plus multifamily deal merchant, capital merchant, one single check policy. With Christina Melody Group every single day and celebrate with us together. You are welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel, Christina Melody Group. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any deal job, new business opportunity ahead. Thank you and welcome.